Hi friends, this is 20th part of Key to Success in Agriculture MCQ book series Introductory Nematology. The book Principle of Nematology published by G. Thorne. The book Plant Nematology published by Ravichandra. The book Laboratory Method for Work with Plant and Soil Nematode published by G. F. Southey. Plant Parasitic Nematode and Disease book, first time written by T. Goodday. Indian Journal of Nematology published from IARI New Delhi. Indian Journal of Nematology published half yearly. The Journal of Nematology published quarterly. Nematologica is published binomially. First plant parasitic nematode was reported by T. Needham. The first plant parasitic nematode reported was Engunia tritici. Father of nematology is N.A. Cobb. The first root knot nematode was reported by Berkeley. Who discovered the stem and bulb nematode is Dr. Kuhn. Who reported the Ephenchoidy fragri nematode is Dr. Ridgembos. Who gave the nematode measurement formula is D-Man. Who reported the nematode transmitting viral disease is D.J. Rusky. Who reported the rice rot nematode is Hirschman. Who identified the nematode through chromosome number is Dr. A.C. Trintufailu. Who discovered potato cyst nematode in Nilgiri Hills of South India is W. Jones. The authority of excretion of nematode from soil and plant nematode is Ostenbrink. A nematode virus instruction was identified after the pioneer work of Rasky, Gohin and Hewitt. Who observed root knot nematode on cucurbit in USA is Berkeley. Who observed stem and bulb nematode is Kuhu. Who observed stem and bulb nematode is Kuhu. Nematode fungus intruction was first reported by Atkinson. Who observed root knot nematode on black pepper in Kerala is Butler. Who reported Ufra disease in rice is E.J. Butler. Who reported white tip nematode on rice is J.F. Dastur. Who reported burrowing nematode on banana crop in Kerala is M.R. Nair. Who reported rice root nematode Hirschmanella oryza is Hirschman. In developing countries, the yield loss due to plant parasitic nematode is 14.6%, while in developed country, yield loss due to plant parasitic nematode is 8.8%. The total yield loss observed due to different nematode is 12.3%. In Europe, nematode is known as eelworm. In USA, nematode are known as Nema. Out of total nematode, plant parasitic nematode are 25%. Nematode are also known as threadworm, eelworm and roundworm. Out of total nematode, marine nematode are 50%. Out of total nematode, soil and freshwater nematode are 25%. Out of total nematode, phytonematode are 15%. In plant parasitic nematode, oral opening surrounded with 6 leaves. The stylet is emerging out from esophagus of nematode is odontostylate. Plant parasitic nematode body is cylindrical tapering both end. Stylet is emerging out from mouth of nematode is tomatostylate. Engunia strititi having none of this above type of sexual dimorphism. Reniform nematode having subspherical type of sexual dimorphism. Citrus nematode having subspherical type sexual dimorphism. Root knot nematode having round type sexual dimorphism. cyst nematode having round type sexual dimorphism. The plant parasitic nematode have four systems present. Narrow portion of esophagus is known as isthmus. The layer just below cuticle is hypodermis. Oncostylet present in both A and B, dagger nematode and needle nematode. Oncostylet is present in dagger nematode. Stomatostylet present in lesser nematode, root knot nematode, reniform nematode. Body color of plant parasitic nematode is colorless. Two ovary present and both are arterially directed to vulva. Arterially directed to vulva is known as didelphic prodelphic. One ovary present to anterior side of vulva is known as monodelphic prodelphic. Two ovaries are present, one at anterior side and other at posterior side is amphidelphic. The part of nervous system plant parasitic nematode is derived. Plant parasitic nematode, the nerve ring is encircled with isthmus. The organ of excretory system of plant parasitic nematode is ampulla. Gelatinous matrix is secreted by rectal gland. Proctodium comprise rectum and anus. Stomodium comprise stroma, esophagus and cardiac. Mesenteron comprise intestine. Nematode take position for feeding exploration. Nematode take position for feeding is exploration. The flow of salivary juice in host cell is called injection phase. Male organ which help to hold the female during copulation is bursa. Ovary in the most of plant parasitic nematode is always straight but not curved is known as austrated ovary. Plant parasitic nematode oral opening surrounded with 6 lips. Bigger size of plasmid are called scutella. Ovary in some of the plant parasitic nematode is always curved in tip portion is known as reflexes ovary. Which system are absent in plant parasitic nematode is respiratory and circulatory. Cephalic papilli is an organ of nervous system. It is the part of nervous system in plant parasitic nematode is ganglia. Circulatory and respiratory activity in plant parasitic nematode are performed by body fluid. The main part of digestive system in plant parasitic nematode is stylet. The male plant parasitic nematode have bursa. Migratory ectoparasite nematode is all of these: Trichodorus, Helicotylencus and Tylencorhynchus species. All of above are migratory ectoparasite nematode. Migratory ectoparasite nematode, Tylencorhynchus species. Migratory ectoparasite nematode, Helicotylencus species. Migratory ectoparasite, Trichodorus species. Semi-endoparasite nematode, both A and B, Rotilanculus and Tylenculus, both are semi-endoparasitic nematode. Migratory endoparasitic nematode, Rhodopholus and Pratylencus, which both are migratory endoparasitic nematode. Migratory endoparasitic nematode, Pratylencus and Rhodopholus. Migratory endoparasitic nematode, Hirschmanni species. Sedentary endoparasitic nematode, Melanogyne species. Sedentary endoparasite nematode is Heterodera species. The first molting of plant parasitic nematode takes place inside the egg. Which stage of larva is infective in root knot nematode is second. Citrus nematode is semi-endoparasite. Nematode take position for feeding is exploration. Heterodera and Melanogyne are nematode of sedentary endoparasite. The feeding habit of Melanogyne encongenata is sedentary endoparasite. Sedentary ectoparasite nematode are Hoplolimbus species. Which nematode has kidney shaped female is Rotilancus species. which stage we can differentiate sex in a root knot nematode is third stage. In which stage styletes differ in root knot nematode is third stage. Which stage styletes reappear in root knot nematode is third stage. Root knot nematode is complete 7 to 8 generation in the year. A root knot nematode lay egg in mass on root. The stunting or dwarfing type symptoms produced by Heterodera species in wheat, Globodera species in potato, Melanogine species in pea and tomato. Thank you.